Hi, my name is called Moses Wamkota. Welcome to Online Money Tech. Today we are going to talk about how to make money on Facebook. Stick to the end of this video and you will be revealing the requirements for eligibility to join Facebook monetization program. Hi, namaste, habari zenu, hola, assalamu alaikum, ni hao, salute. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Now, straight to way number 1. You can make money on Facebook through joining affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is generally promoting other people's products or services, and once a successful sale is made, you can make commissions. This is very easy on Facebook because Facebook is most used social media platform. You can create an account with Facebook and then join groups. Now to start posting, content here is the king, especially when it comes to attracting leads. So when you create valuable and engaging content, you will capture the attention of your target audience. And to do this, you need to be strategic and you need to understand your audience in and out. What are they searching online? By addressing this question on your content, you will not only attract leads, but convert these people to be your loyal customers, which in turn will be easy for you to sell those products to them. Now the secret here is to be persistent and learn new emerging skills. Once you learn and then grasp these new skills, you will start seeing exponential growth on your Facebook. You can join a variety of these affiliate networks. We have Amazon, we have CJ Affiliates, we have ClickBank. We have also Flipkart, Kashkaro, and also Temu. You can head on to Google and then search for these affiliate networks. You can join as many as possible to maximize your earning on these websites. Now that is the first method that you can do. The next method is through joining a professional mode. Professional mode has features that allow you to build a public presence as a creator and maintain your personal, friend, and family experience from one place on Facebook. Now this professional mode gives you monetization products, and to be eligible, you need to have 5,000 Facebook followers, 60,000 minutes in last 60 days, and 5 active videos. Now once you have been monetized, you can make money through stars. This is where fans support you by sending stars and gifts once you are live on your Facebook page. You can earn money on Facebook through ads on your Facebook Reels. We have also live streaming, and another one is through amplifying your earnings through bonuses. And remember, these features are only enabled on professional mode. There are other countries that are eligible for monetization on Facebook, but I hope in future this Facebook team will continue to monetize other countries. So if you are finding this research useful, please go on, then subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, you help me, you motivate me, you tell me, Mose, go on, bring more things to us. And also if you give this video a huge thumbs up, you'll be telling YouTube to push this video to other people so that they can also make money on Facebook. You can grow very fast on Facebook by posting Reels. For example, you can take your long form video that is going viral on YouTube. Then you can split them into Reels. Then you repurpose them, then upload them to Facebook. Facebook algorithm will push these Reels to a larger audience because these social media are competing. So those Reels that you will be posting them on Facebook, they will be pushed as faster as possible, just like YouTube Shorts. So when you upload these Reels on your Facebook page, these reels will be earning an extra income to your Facebook account. This is only done when you have met that monetization requirements on Facebook. Now, to grow on Facebook organically, it takes some time. Consistency is the key here on Facebook. Now, if your country is not eligible for monetization, you can use the first method that I told you at the beginning of this video. You can join affiliate programs and then start promoting those products. So you may ask me, Mosa, how do I do this one? You can create content on that products, and then you can grab that link, then try to tell people the goodness of that product. And you will not be doing on your own. We have other free AIs that can help you to create product reviews. Example of it is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT to write for you a product description. Then you copy that product description, then paste it into your Facebook page. Then you can post that post to your Facebook. People have made a lot of money through this affiliate method that I'm telling you, even more than those monetization money that they get from Facebook ads. So we have come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, let me know in the comment section. I'm just kidding. We have come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. May God bless you. Till the next time. Bye.